All right, real quick. Hopefully you don't have to deal with this in the field. On our way to this particular job, the truck started smoking. Of course, we had another car behind us because I probably wouldn't have noticed it, and we'd already slowed down a little bit. But the wiring from the pressure washer to our hose reels, for whatever reason, melted, caught fire, and literally we pulled onto the street where the job's at. So one, go ahead and get the fire extinguisher out, put out your fire, don't try and touch the wires or whatever. Took all the wires off of the power and then was able to figure out, okay, hey, this is where it's messed up. This reel, still completely good to go. Okay, we got both our pressure washers are still operational. The 12 volt was operational. We didn't need to go back and get another truck. The only thing that was messed up is the wiring going to these two hose reels. And especially with the garden hose, or not the garden hose, the soft wash reel, I want to go ahead and be able to reel this up without having to do this by hand. So I've taken our jumper cables, put them obviously positive and negative terminals there. This one, setting that onto it. Okay, I still do have go ahead and get this reeling up. Assuming that the wiring to your plug is still good. If your plug wasn't good, if your button wasn't good, then you actually have to just put the wires together or take your hot straight to the hot side of it, and then I'm gonna just be holding that and then disconnecting your jumper cables so that it stops it. Be careful because that will really crank it out. This one is already having some issues. You can see the wire. This is actually a little bit right up. We're supposed to put some oil on that to get that better. So